everyone, so it's Memorial Day weekend and I'm getting ready to go to Cocoa Beach so I could see the NASA launch from our hotel. All the tickets are sold out to actually go to the place and see it, but yeah, I've been to NASA before, over there in Cape Canaveral, and it's really cool and really nice. So if you ever get the opportunity to go, do it. You learn so much, and it's huge, so vast, and so many things to see, and it's a pretty spectacular experience. I think going through it, you realize, hey, being an astronaut is pretty hard. It really gives you an insight into it all. And yeah, I've always liked space and stuff like that, and I really treasure that trip that I did over there. I've only been once, and I recommend it to everyone. Kids, families, adults, everyone really. Everybody can enjoy it. So yeah, I'm all packed and ready to go. Gonna spend a relaxing weekend at the beach. I don't know if I'll go in the water because I don't like cold water. I do not go in the water unless it's July or August because I can't. I am a spoiled Miami girl. I'll take more videos as I go. I'm watching The Society as I wait to head out. Such an amazing show. I feel like every time I shoot a video, I'm talking to you about a show that I'm watching because I'm always watching a show. Yeah.
You're like doing something like on our way to Cocoa Beach.
What rhymes with Gendry? Hendry. Here on the pier. Hello. Is this a pasta? Noodle? Yeah. It's a straw. So save the environment. Tag yourself. Natalie, which one are you?
I think I'm a zesty blood orange.
Okay, I think I'm a vice cherry. Hey. I'm just gonna chill and enjoy the view and read.
You suck. That's all you're gonna do?
Yeah. It's National Wine Day, so cheers. Enjoying a gorgeous view of Cocoa Beach. Gonna go out to the pier to just chill and eat. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm wearing this really cute blue romper that I got back home. Yeah. I wanted to dress up today and do my makeup and just feel all pretty and celebrate life. There's so much to celebrate. Just got home, went to Cocoa Beach for the weekend, as you guys saw, and I'm so happy to be home. It wasn't that long of a drive. It was enjoyable, relaxing, had some great eats, hit some great breakfast spots and dinner spots, and had some excellent drinks, and just enjoyed it. We had a lot to celebrate, so just celebrated, enjoyed life. It was pretty nice. Before getting home, we stopped to eat at Panera and charge up the car. So yeah, it was a pretty smooth ride. I really can't complain. This is a great Memorial Day weekend. I'm glad to be home, do my things. I'm gonna unpack now, do some work, and just chill and enjoy this gorgeous, gorgeous day. I started the second book of Game of Thrones, book 2, and all I really did was listen to the prologue, which was almost an hour, but I still need to reread the last Harry Potter book before I get into Game of Thrones again. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna read Deathly Hallows in the time being and then go to Game of Thrones and read it. I wanted to finish rereading the Harry Potter series before I go to the UK, and I really wanted to start Game of Thrones before going to the UK. I already read the first one, but I wanted to read the rest of the books. I know I'm not gonna finish by the time I go, but I just wanted to start that whole process again, especially before I start school. I'm gonna watch the documentary on Game of Thrones tonight, because why not? I'm wearing my Stark shirt because it's Stark Sunday. Even though Game of Thrones is over, the documentary is still airing today, and it'll always still have a big spot in my heart. Cheesy, I know, but yeah.